Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to unblock number on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open Contacts app, where we have to click on the three dots in the right top corner right here. Next we have to open Settings, and here we have to open Block Numbers option. Now we have to click on this icon next to the number that we want to unblock, and we have to click unblock. And that's how you unblock number. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!